It starts with a number so small, you barely notice it. A streaming bill, a storage plan, a delivery pass, a software license, a fitness app you forgot existed. Individually, they look harmless. Together, they become a private tax on your attention. The old economy sold you products. The new one rents you access. You no longer buy the thing. You buy permission to keep using it. And permission can expire. This is not convenience. It is financial gravity. Every month, invisible hands pull a little more from your account before you even wake up. The genius of the model is emotional. $5 does not feel like loss. $10 does not feel like control. But the system does not need one large payment. It only needs hundreds of tiny agreements you stop questioning. Ownership made you independent. Subscriptions make you return every month to ask for access. The future was not sold to you. It was licensed. And the most dangerous bill is the one you stopped seeing.